big breath out. Good. Now begin to step the legs to the front of your mat, as many steps as it takes, till you reach the top of your mat. Inhale, find a flat back position. And exhale, you can put a slight bend in your knees as you fold your torso over your thighs. I like to take a ragdoll position here, just to sort of get off of your hands a little bit, holding opposite elbows and allowing the head to drop down like a cascading waterfall. Shift the weight towards the balls of your feet. Breathe into the back chain of your body here. Start to engage the quadriceps, which is the fronts of your thighs. That helps to straighten the knee. So when you do that and you pull the kneecaps up and you really feel your thighs being nice and solid, you'll be able to get a stable stretch in your hamstrings. Otherwise, if you rely on the joint to straighten your knee, you might land up overstretching the hamstring and injuring it in the process in the long run. So always finding stability in your stretches. Good. From here, release your hands down.
Gently now allow your legs to stretch out to the front of the mat. We're going to take a Paschimottanasana. So ready? Inhale, hands go up to the ceiling, spine is straight. Exhale, moving your palms forward. Now remember, no ego in the pose. If you're here, that's fine. You can hold your calves, you can hold your ankles, you can hold your toes or your heels, whatever is comfortable for you. Hold whatever is comfortable for you, and then inhale, straighten the back, exhale, forward fold. Bend at the elbows so that you can go a little bit deeper into the pose. Holding it here for 4. Remember that no two practices look alike. Every day your body, your practice may look different, and it's certainly this practice is not to be compared. So even if you're just here, it's okay. If this is where you are, that's fine. Go as deep as you can for another 2. Back is straight, not rounded, not hunched, but absolutely straight. And for 1.
So now we'll take the mat against the wall, and the rest of the class is going to be against the wall. So you're going to sit with your face facing the wall. Scooch your hips as close to the wall as you can. Now for this practice, it's great for you to have a blanket which you can fold up and use as a cushion under your shoulders. Okay, so you can use it in many different ways, which we'll come at, but for now, fold it up and use it such that when you lie down, this will be under your shoulders. So scooch your hips up as close to the wall as possible. Lie down and bring your feet up onto the wall. Okay, now we're going to come into a supported shoulder stand. So you're going to press into the wall and lift the hips up. Shoulder stand is a great way to activate the parasympathetic nervous system. Really helps in inducing sleep, and since we're not doing the full pose, this is a nice supported way to get into a shoulder stand and still reap the benefits. So we'll stay here and you can breathe for another 4, 3, 2 and 1.
Lie on your back with arms stretched out at shoulder level. Bend right knee and cross it outside of your left leg, close to the left knee. And slowly start twisting towards the left side. Use your left hand to put slight pressure on the bent knee to push down towards the floor. If the knee is not touching the floor, it's still okay. Try to focus on your twist and stay comfortable. Try to keep both the shoulders squared and rooted to the floor. If the right shoulder is off the floor, it's no problem. Just try and be aware of it. Keep pressing it towards the floor and keep breathing into the twist. Stay on 30 seconds or more. Slowly bring your knee back to stretch out your legs. Now we repeat the same on the other side. Bend your left knee to twist to the right side. Use your right hand to press the knee down as much as you can. Press your left shoulder towards the floor. Breathe into your spine and feel the twist. Stay on for 30 seconds and slowly come back to rest on your back with your legs stretched out. Balasana. So I'm going to meet you at one end of your mat. So if you can stay whichever end of the mat, keeping your knees together. Sometimes in Balasana we do it with the knees apart, but today we're going to do it with our knees together. Right, toes touching, heels apart, and just allow your head to come to the floor. Your hands can go onto either side of your body and just allow your whole body to rest. The reason we often start in Balasana is that it gives our nervous system a chance to relax. So we're just staying here for another 5 to feel really grounded with our head to the earth. And you can use this time to set an intention for the practice. What is it that you want to gain out of these next 10 to 15 minutes? And if no intention comes to your mind, I invite you to share my intention of doing this practice mindfully. Staying here for another 3. Taking deep breaths. 4, 2. And 4, 1. Slowly, without any rush, without any hurry in the world, you can use your hands to help prop up your upper body.